Traveling can be fun, relaxing, and an exciting adventure, but it can also be expensive. If you're looking to make your next trip as affordable as possible, try out these 10 cheap travel tips to see if they help you out. Number 1, save money on airfare. To start, do your research when it comes to airlines and routes. Check out websites like Fare Compare or Google Flights to see if there are cheaper ways to get from point A to point B. Sometimes a direct flight isn't always less expensive than a connecting flight. Even small things can make a big difference when it comes to saving money. Remember that booking seats early can lead to better deals on flights, and traveling during off-peak seasons is another way you can save some cash. Number 2, hotel options. Hotels can be great if you're on a budget, and they come with room service and daily housekeeping. Even better, if it's your first time in a new city, booking an Airbnb in an up-and-coming neighborhood may also provide insider insights into what makes that place tick. Of course, hotels aren't just for vacations. Business travelers use them to stay productive on out-of-town trips as well. Number 3, do your research. If you're heading somewhere new, plan your itinerary carefully. You don't want to end up paying extra for things like airfare and hotel when there are other options out there. If you're flying, search a few weeks ahead of time to take advantage of specials. Number 4, choose wisely. You want to enjoy your travels, but you also want to keep costs down. To make your dollar go further, choose a destination where food and lodging are inexpensive. In Southeast Asia, travelers can find affordable meals and lodgings everywhere from Bangkok to Kuala Lumpur. Meanwhile, regions such as Scandinavia and New Zealand boast similar price tags on food and lodging, and it's all very delicious. Number 5, check multiple sites. When buying a plane ticket, don't stop at Kayak or Expedia. Also check a few other sites like Hitmonk and Travelocity, which ranks flights by value instead of price. Sometimes, these alternative search engines can offer better deals. Number 6, split costs with friends or family. Traveling with family and friends is one of the best ways to keep costs down. As long as everyone's on board, split your trip into segments and share a room to cut down on nightly hotel bills. Use technology to connect with others who are also in your city. The easy-to-use app Hotel Tonight helps you find deals at top hotels, while Airbnb lets travelers rent out an extra room or even their entire home. Number 7, take advantage of credit card perks. You're not just using a credit card to make a purchase, you're also using it to get cash back. Credit cards typically offer 1% to 5% cash back in your favorite categories. So if you're paying for flights, rent, and hotels on your credit card, use those rewards to help offset what you spend. We all love to get money back. Number 8, consider time of year and the weather. Everyone knows holidays are expensive, but did you know certain months are more expensive than others? To help offset your winter heating bill, consider visiting areas with warmer climates in November and December. And even if you have to pay a little more for flights, it's not going to be half as much as a second mortgage. Number 9, book ahead, use apps, and group tickets. Not only can booking flights and accommodation in advance be cheaper, but it's also often easier to secure a seat on a bus or flight. Use apps like Skyscanner or Google Flights to see what's available before venturing out to book. Also check Groupon and similar websites to see if there are any local deals available before heading out. Number 10, get creative when booking rooms, flights, and cars. In a world where sites like Expedia, Travelocity, and Orbitz rule, it's important to remember that their main priority is making money. There are various ways in which they do so, but you can probably guess what they are. When booking rooms or flights through these big-name sites, prices are often marked up significantly. It pays to use other websites. Sites like Hopper allow users to set alerts based on dates and locations of trips. However, you can also use a travel agent. Nowadays, many people forget that travel agents exist. So, use your travel agent, talk with them, and they are also great because they are a one-on-one. So, you don't have to use a third party or be on hold for hours trying to fix something for your flight or your hotel stay. I hope these tips help you into finding so much better deals and always fly on a budget.